This is Mad Mike here, and this is William Tanner fucking Laird, and enjoy our videos. And enjoy the presentation. Yeah.
What are you doing, Mike?
Going through a drive-thru.
Taco Bell. Always a good time. Well, fuck the menu. I'm going straight for the kill. What do you like? This is gonna be fucking awesome. I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be great.
Bronco. Yeah.
Ow. You see my dog?
You see my helmet?
You see my dog, eh? It's got a red collar on it. And his name's Ducky. You see my dog?
Helmet.
Helmet, have you seen my dog, eh? Oh, this is gonna be funny. Hey, Jenny. I love you, Jenny.
Excuse me, how do you get to Sheets from here?
What sheets?
The Sheets up 17th Street.
The big sheets?
Oh, fuck. Oh, you're a dick. Here we go.
You guys see my dog?
No.
I wasn't sure. I mean, I might have saw it out there or something or somewhere.
I can ask our cooks though.
Oh, okay.
What does it look like?
It's like a Chihuahua or something.
Try Wendy's on for size. Is that Versace? No. Hey, we need help. Help us find this dog. We need. Oh, they see the camera. They're like, yeah, fuck you guys.
But did you see my dog anywhere?
Fucking dickheads. What'd he say?
Call cops.
Do it. No, do it. Not yet. Hey! Oh, that didn't work.